Hi, my name is Jitin Anthony and I am from Saras Poultry Equipments. We are from Coimbatore. Our factory and offices are located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. We are into the poultry equipments manufacturing since last 30 years actually. Earlier we are into the California cages manufacturing, and since last 10 years we are manufacturing this battery cage system also. Okay. What is our motto is to provide customer the maximum efficiency, the maximum output in the battery cage system. To become a global leader, we are trying our level best to provide the customer the best quality of equipment and the best innovations in the market, in the Indian and global market.